Hello students, this is a third lecture on principle of mathematical induction. I am taking third lecture on this topic. So in previous class I had done 5 problems, means I had done 4 problems. One I have given homework that I explained yesterday. Wherever n is there, we substitute 1 once you take k, once you take k plus 1, proving that you have to say the given problem is satisfying for all natural numbers. Nothing, procedure is same. I am not repeating again and again. I will go for 6th problem. What is given here? That prove that he is asking 1 plus 3 square plus so on. Last term. What is the last term here? 3 to the power n minus 1 is equal to 3 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2 for all n belongs to capital N. Means he is asking that prove this problem by using principle of mathematical induction. This problem is true for all natural number. So according to procedure, I will say write solution. I will write as usual. I am not wasting time here. Now let P of n be the given statement. This is a given statement. This is same given statement. What is the P of n here? P of n is considered as that given 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus so on. Last term 3 to the power n minus 1 is equal to 3 to the power n minus 1 whole divided by 2. This is P of n, means given statement. Step 1 as usual. We know step 1. In the case of step 1, what we will do? We will substitute n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 means what is the first term? First term in the LHS is 1 only. LHS is equal to, we have 1. Yes. RHS. RHS is equal to, take, what is RHS? 3 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2. What we are taking here? N is 1. 3 to the power 1 minus 1 divided by 2. What happened? 3 to the power 1 is a 3. 3 minus 1 is a 2. 2 divided by 2 will give a what? 1 only. What happened? LHS is equal to RHS. Means I said if it is LHS equal to RHS, P of 1 is true. P of 1 is true. This is all. Step 2. Step 2. Put n is equal to k. When we are taking n is equal to k, we will say P of n is a P of k. Replace n is a k 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus so on. What is 3 to the power n place you substitute k minus 1 is equal to 3 to the power k minus 1 divided by 2. Call it is equation 1. Is it same as in the given form? What we got, this is same as in the given form, only n is a k. You check given statement and when you are replacing n is a k, both are same, only the difference is n is becoming k. Means that can I say this is exactly same, means can I say that P of k is true. P of k is true. When P of k is true, we have to prove for P of k plus 1 is true. Step 3. Step 3 is the main. Put means put n is equal to k plus 1. Put n is equal to k plus 1 means I need to prove P of k plus 1 means n is replaced by k plus 1. P of k plus 1 is true. For this we will take one addition term. Addition term is depend upon this last term. What is the last term here? This is 3 to the power n minus 1. So I will write roughly what is the last term here? 3 to the power n minus 1. 3 to the power n minus 1. What we are taking? N is equal to k plus 1 we are taking. Substitute. 3 to the power n is a k plus 1 minus 1. N I replaced what? K plus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel means remains what? 3 to the power k. Roughly you can take 3 to the power k. Means addition term is this. Means if you want to add that term is depend upon this last term. I said first problem n is a k plus 1. N square second problem. N square means n place is a k plus 1, whole square is there, 1 k plus 1 whole square you added. Third problem you see, in the case of third problem, n cube actually, in this case last term. N cube can be written as n is a k plus 1 whole cube. That k plus 1 whole cube you added. In the fourth problem, it is n into n plus 1, n plus 2. N replaced by k plus 1, what you will get simplification that you added. Fifth problem, it is n into n plus 1. I think n into n plus 1, you can take n is a k plus 1, k plus 1, k plus 2 you added both the side. Like here, after simplification you get 3 to the power k. Means what we have to add? We have to add 3 to the power k on both the side of equation 1. Check it. Is it no? 3 to the power k is addition term because we have 3 to the power k minus 1. 3 to the power k minus 1 is a less term of 1 less term of 3 to the power k. So what I will add, what is the equation 1? This is, means what we are proving, p of k plus 1. So what we have, 1 plus 3 square plus so on up to what we have, 3 to the power k minus 1. What we are adding extra term? We are adding what? Which term? This 3 to the power k. Yes. Is equal to already what we have? 3 to the power k minus 1 divided by 2. What we are adding? 3 to the power k. Listen to me. After adding this 3 to the power k on both the side, LHS is over. Don't simplify LHS. LHS is already this, you can say long form, or you can say this is the addition of the terms. So what we did here, this we added extra term. There also we did extra term. Means we have to simplify this. After simplification, what we need to get? Actually, n place is a k plus 1. Means the required term after simplifying this one is what? 3 to the power n. N is replaced by what? K plus 1. Means in the case of n, I need k plus 1. Nothing. Means required result, what we need? 3 to the power k plus 1 minus of 1 divided by 2. Means that simplification will give us that result. So I will write, instead of writing there, I will write here because I need some space. So I will write here. What is the LCM? 2 is the LCM. 2 you can multiply. Here nothing means 1 will be there. 3 to the power k. Listen to me. This is the term main. You concentrate here. This is the main step. Up to that first and second you can do it easily. Now this step is a very important. Means you can concentrate here or you can focus here. What you can say? 2 into 3 to the power k. 2 I multiplied. Whole divided by 2. Listen to me. 2 I multiplied. Now what happening? I will collect one terms. 3 to the power k. Okay. 3 to the power k. Yes. Instead of writing minus 1 here, I will write last. This is what 2 times of 3 to the power k. I will write this. Means first I kept. Instead of writing second term here, I will write third term. Then second term I will keep last. So what I can write? Plus 2 times of what? 3 to the power k. So this I left no, this I will write last. You can write wherever it is required case. Yes. What happened? 3 to the power k is one thing. 3 to the power k is same thing. But this is one thing. This is 2 times of the same thing. Are you getting? This 3 to the power k is one thing. This is 2 into 3 to the power k means 3 to the power k how many times? 2 times. Or else if you are getting any confusion, you can say this is one chocolate. One chocolate. Is it 3 to the power k is same chocolate? Yes. This is one chocolate. This is same chocolate means I can say this is 2 times of chocolate. So it means one chocolate plus 2 times of chocolate is how many chocolate? 3 chocolate. What is chocolate? Chocolate is nothing but 3 to the power k. Are you getting? This is 1. 1 times of 3 to the power k. This is 2 times of 3 to the power k. How many times of 3 to the power? 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power k means it is like x plus 2x. X is what? 3 to the power k, like 2x. 2 to the power means 2 into x is what? 3 to x plus 2x is how much? 3x. X is what here, like 3 to the power k, 3 to the power k. So for our convenient, I am taking this x plus 2x, like I am saying. Now means how many times? Listen to me, this is a 1 time 3 to the power k plus 2 times of 3 to the power k. Addition of this is 3 times of what? 3 to the power k minus 1 divided by 2. Are you getting? Now it implies that bases are same, powers are added. I said in the case of base term, a to the power n into a is what? A to the power n plus 1. Like 3 to the power k into 3. Bases are same means powers you can add. 3 to the power nothing means 3 to the power 1 will be there. Means 3 to the power 1 will be there means 3 to the power k plus 1. K plus 1 minus already 1 is here. Yes, divided by 2. Check now. Is it this like required thing? N is what? N is here. K plus 1. 3 minus 1 divided by 2. Is it exactly in this form? 3, 3, N. N is replaced by what we got? K plus 1 minus 1 here. Whole divided by 2. Is it exactly same? Means I can say now it implies that P of k plus 1 is also true. Is true means I can say hence the given statement is true for all natural numbers. Instead of writing for all natural number, I can write using symbol. So this you can copy. Nothing, n is equal to 1. I took n is equal to 1 first term. Here substituting n is equal to 1, you will get simplification 1. LHS equal to RHS, P of 1 is true. Then step 2 is what? You can substitute n is equal to k. Wherever n is there you can replace k. So after simplification you will get same as in the given problem. Only is n is k. So that is also true. So for addition term, that you can say step 3. To prove P of k plus 1 is true, we have to add addition term is depend upon the given LHS side last term. Last term is what here? 3 to the power n minus 1. There I took roughly last in the corner, right corner you see. 3 to the power n minus 1. N I can replace k plus 1. K plus 1 already minus 1 cancelling 3 to the power k. So addition term is what? 3 to the power k. On the basis of that I am adding both the side 3 to the power k. Later you can simplify. The thing is you have to concentrate. 3 to the power k and 2 into 3 to the power k. Both are same like terms. I wrote first. This I wrote second. Minus 1 I kept last. Whole divided by 2. 1 times 2 times what? 1 time is 3 to the power k. 2 time is a 3 to the power k. Addition of that 3 times is a 3 to the power k. Minus 1 divided by 2. Bases are same. Powers you can add. Minus 1 divided by 2. 3 to the power k plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2. This is the required result. Therefore the given problem is proved. So this you have to copy. You have to compulsory write because we are not providing any notes. Now 7th problem. Prove that a plus ar square plus so on plus ar to the power n minus 1 is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 for all n belongs to capital N. This is one of the geometrical progression case. This is some of the n terms of the GP statement. This is one of the mathematical statement. In particularly, this is some of the n terms of the GP, means geometrical progression, that you will come to know again in first year in the case of sequence and series. The thing is what? Here we are verifying, means we have to prove this given statement is true for all n belongs to capital N. All n belongs to capital N means what? Here actually this thing is what? It is true for all natural numbers. As usual, I will start solution. Let P of n be the given statement. Every time this only. Don't feel every time sir is taking let P of n be the given statement. This is a procedure you have to follow compulsory. This is as usual every time. I said from the beginning, this is nothing is different. Only the thing is problems are different statement. According to that, you have to follow the procedure and then you have to prove this given is true for all natural number. Nothing. Let P of n be the given statement. What is the P of n? P of n be the given statement you said. What is the given statement? Yes, you can write a plus ar plus ar square plus so on a plus ar plus ar square plus so on. What is a r to the power n minus 1? Listen to me. Is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 whole divided by r minus 1. Step 1. Put n is equal to, listen to me, when n is equal to 1, what is the LHS? LHS is the first term. What is the first term? A. Previous problems are like 1 problem is 1 into 2 into 3 is 6, you got another problem, you got fifth one is 2. Here A means RHS also you should get A only. RHS A into what is the r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. What you are substituting n we are substituting 1 a into r to the power 1 n we are substituting 1 minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So r minus 1 r to the power 1 is r minus 1 get cancelled. So what remains? A. What happened? LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS means what? P of 1 is true. Nothing. P of 1 is true. Yes? Yeah. Step 2. Put n is equal to k. Nothing. As usual. Every time what we are taking? Same thing. P of k. Yes. P of k. Listen to me. A plus AR plus AR square plus so on. Where n is there, you replace k. A r to the power. There n means here k minus 1 is equal to a r to the power k minus 1 divided by r minus 1. You call it as equation 1. Again, every time I said after taking this P of k is true, so that can I say this given statement is as usual like given, only the thing is n is replaced by k. The thing is same. A R n k, because then we are replacing k minus 1 r minus 1 as it is, everything, nothing is different. So I can say that what P of k is true. P of k is true. When we proved P of k, we have to prove for P of k plus 1. Step 3. To prove P of k plus 1 means n place we are taking what? K plus 1. To prove P of k plus 1 is true, addition term you have to decide. Addition term on the basis of this. I am saying this last term you focus. I will write roughly here. A r to the power n minus 1. What we are taking? N is equal to k plus 1. A r to the power n is what? K plus 1 minus 1 is there. N I replaced k plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. What remains? A into r to the power k. This is the addition term. Roughly I am taking this. See there. Nothing is here. I am not taking any new thing. I am taking from this problem only. Everything is given there. Only the thing is you have to use your mind, or you can use your brain. Then you will get this term. Nothing. A r to the power k means we have to add what? A into r to the power k on both the side of equation 1. This is the same procedure. See there. What I am taking, this addition term is correct or not? Is it correct? Absolutely. Sure it is correct, because only the thing is this on the basis of this problem. A r to the power n minus 1. N is replaced by k plus 1. So I got minus 1 plus 1 cancel. A r to the power k. I will write now. P of k plus 1. Yes, listen here. What is the first term? This equation 1. A r AR square plus 1 AR to the power K minus 1. What you are adding? Plus you are adding what? This one. AR to the power K. And it's equal to what? You have AR to the power K minus 1 divided by R minus 1. What you are adding? A into R to the power K you are adding. I added these two terms. See there. LHS side, RHS side. When I said when you added, you simplify only RHS and simplify and try to express it is in the form of n is K plus 1. Means required result is what? Before going to solve, you can decide which result you need. The thing is A I need, A I will get, R to the power I want K plus 1. N is K plus 1. Minus 1 divided by R. Everything is same, only I need in the place of n K plus 1. Simplification of that will give same. So take this LCM. Whole divided by 1, nothing is there means whole divided by 1. R minus 1 will be the LCM. A into R to the power K, R to the power K minus 1 plus R minus 1. I multiplied AR to the power K. See, this is you have to concentrate R minus 1. See there, I will multiply this A into R to the power K. Listen here, minus A into this, minus A plus A into R means I can write A into R to the power K. Listen here, A, this I am multiplying, post multiply R to the power K, R to the power K minus A into R to the power K. Minus 1 into AR to the power K is same, divided by R minus 1. Is it AR to the power K plus value? This is minus 1, can cancel. See there, same term but opposite in the sign. This is plus AR to the power K, that is minus AR to the power K. Can I cancel plus AR to the power K minus AR to the power K? Then I will write it is like what remains, minus A plus, can I say bases are same, powers I can add, bases R, bases are same, R to the power K, R to the power nothing means 1, R to the power K plus 1, can I say R to the power, can I write A into R to the power, bases are same, this bases are same, so R to the power what? K plus 1 whole divided by R minus 1. This I can write first, this I will take second. So what I will express? I will express this A R to the power K plus 1 minus A divided by R minus 1. Actually A I need outside. See, means I can take A common. See there. A I took outside. A I took common. What remains? A goes means R to the power K plus 1. This A go means minus 1 here whole divided by R minus 1. Is it exactly? A here also A. R power n is replaced by K plus 1. Minus 1 here, minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Everything is same. Means I can say that this I can write, it implies that P of K plus 1 is also true. Hence you can write every time, hence the given statement is true. Given statement is true for all natural numbers. I think main thing is the third step. This up to this you can do it easily. Third step is what? Addition term. This A R to the power n minus 1, n you replace, n place you put K plus 1, n place K plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel, A R to the power K is the addition term. I took roughly. If you want you can take rough side and then you can decide. You have to add A R to the power K with equation 1 and simplify RHS neatly, and then you can simplify minus A plus AR. This I took first, that I am taking second. A I took outside, AR to the power K plus 1 minus 1 there, so nothing here. only the thing is n places are replaced by k plus 1. So this is the, you can say, statement is proved for all natural number, because this problem is true for n is equal to 1, n is equal to k, n is equal to k plus 1. Copy this, I think. While now 8th problem, prove that 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 square, dot is nothing but here into 3 into 2 cube plus 1 n into 2 to the power n, this is one of the statement he has given, is equal to n minus 1 2 to the power n plus 1 plus 2 for all n belongs to capital N. Means this given statement is true for all natural number LHS as well as RHS. Means when RHS is given, that is a sum of the n term of this. Every time in this case, in this mathematical induction case, he has given LHS, RHS. So always whenever addition of this term, RHS will be what? Sum of the LHS term. So that is mathematically given n minus 1 2 to the power n plus 1 plus 2. Means n is equal to 1 case, I need to prove 1 into 2 first term. Means n is equal to 1 case, what I need? 2 LHS and RHS. I will get it. Then n is equal to k, nothing. N is equal to k is not difficult. That is very simple. Wherever n is there, you take k. N is k minus 1 2 to the power k plus 1, nothing. In the case of n is equal to k plus 1, I need, wherever n is the k plus 1. Means required term in the case of n is equal to k plus 1, what? N place, I need k plus 1 minus 1. Then 2 to the power n place, what I need? K plus 1. Plus 1 is there. Plus 2. Means wherever n, I need k plus 1. Can I take as usual? Solution. I will say let this only. Complete this question? Yeah. I will write let P of n. Let solution case. Let P of n be the given statement. Given statement. Yes. It is true for all natural numbers. Keep this. What is P of n? P of n is this. Means what is a P of 1 is what? This one the given statement. I can say step 1. Put n is equal to 1. Means P of 1 is what here? LHS. LHS side 1. 1 means first term. What is the first term? 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is what? 1 into 2 is a 2. Don't say 1.2. It is multiplication. And what is RHS? RHS side is what? N minus 1. 2 to the power n plus 1 plus 2. What is n? N what we are taking? N is 1. Means 1 minus 1. 2 to the power 1 plus 1 plus 2. What happened? 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 2. 0 into anything is 0. This 2 into square is 4. 4 into 0? 0 plus 2. What happened? 2 remains. 2 plus 0 is not 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. So what remains? LHS is equal to RHS. What happened? It implies that I can say P of 1 is true. How it is true? LHS is also true. RHS is also true. P of 1 is true. Our job is over. First step is over. Step 2. As usual, step 2. Put n is equal to, step 2. Put n is equal to k. P of k. n places we are taking k. 1 into 2, yes. Plus 2 into 2 square, yeah. 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 cube, yes. 3 into 2 cube. Then plus 1. What? N. N is k. 2 to the power k. Then is equal to k minus 1. Is equal to k minus 1. 2 to the power k plus 1 plus 2. You call this equation 1. I will write here. So don't think bad. This I am taking. I need more place. For that reason, I am taking this line like. Okay. This is, I need this whole space to simplify. Yes, plus k, n is a k, 2 to the power k is equal to, n is a k minus 1, 2 to the power k plus 1, and then plus 2. This is considered as what? Equation 1. This is considered as what? Equation 1. Now I need to prove step 3. Means this is as usual. As usual means I can say P of k is true. P of k is true. P of k is true means what happened? The thing is, see, I need to prove for step 3. Step 3. Put n is equal to, or else you can say to prove P of n is what? K plus 1 is true. What we need to add? What we need to add here? What is the last term? This. I will keep roughly n into 2 to the power n. What is the n here? N we are replacing k plus 1. What is the n? K plus 1, 2 to the power k plus 1. This is the addition term. Required thing. I said nth term is replaced by k plus 1. So wherever n is there, you substitute k. So is it n is a k plus 1? N is a k plus 1. Is it 2 to the power k plus 1? This is the addition term. What we need to add? We have to add k plus 1 into 2 to the power k plus 1 on both the side of equation 1. What is equation 1? This is, yeah, what is equation 1? P of k plus 1. Now 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 cube plus 1 k into 2 to the power k. What we are adding? K plus 1, 2 to the power k plus 1. K plus 1, 2 to the power k plus 1, 2 to the power k plus 1. We are adding both the side. I will write RHS is here. What is RHS? K minus 1, 2 to the power k plus 1 plus 2 here. What we are adding? This is already in the equation 1 case, x k minus 1, 2 to the power k plus 1 plus 2. What we are adding? We are adding k plus 1, 2 to the power k plus 1. Now we have to simplify this, and simplify, try to express it is in the form of n is a k plus 1 minus 1, 2 to the power n is a k plus 1 plus 1 and plus 2. So for that reason I will collect 2 to the power k plus 1 one side, 2 to the power k plus 1. This I will take plus 2 last. K minus 1, this 2 to the power k plus 1 I will keep here. Yes. Plus, instead of writing this 2, I will write 2 last. K plus 1, 2 to the power k plus 1. Yes. Instead of writing plus 2 in the second term, I will write last case plus 2 I kept. What is common here? 2 to the power k plus 1. 2 to the power k plus 1 is common. Yes. 2 to the power k plus 1 is common means what remains? K minus 1 remains plus k plus 1 remains. Are you getting? See, 2 to the power k plus 1, 2 to the power k plus 1 taking common k minus 1, k plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Plus 2 I can keep as it is this. And what happened? 2 to the power k plus 1. K plus k in the bracket we have 2k plus 2. I will write here. Listen to me. I need some space. I will write here. Can I write 2k? Instead of writing 2k, 2 to the power k plus 1 into 2k, can I write 2 instead of writing k first? K first I will write. Means if it is ABC, ABC, if you want, you can write CBA. Whatever required form you can write. There is no problem. In the case of multiplication, you can write first, second, third, wherever. I will write k first. Then I will write 2 to the power k plus 1 second, then I will write 2, because you can express in the required form. K I will write first, yes, k first. Second I will write 2 to the power k, yes, 2 to the power k plus 1. Then another number is what? 2. Yes, I will write 2 here. Then plus 2 I will keep here. Yes. Can I say bases are same? Powers you can add? Yes. K. 2 to the power k plus 1 is already plus 2 to the power 1. I will write here plus 1. Yes. Plus 2. Yes. Is it like k plus 1 plus 1? N is what? K plus 1. See there. N minus 1. But I need here, I have only k. Yes, no problem. 2 to the power n. N place what I need? K plus 1. So n place k plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 is there. Only the thing is k. Instead of k, what I need? K is a n. You need here n place is a k plus 1 minus 1 like. Means can I write a k? Some little bit adjustment. Here actually k is there. Can I write k can be written as k, one mathematical technique, plus 1 minus 1. It is an adjustment. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. What you will get? K only. I made it is simply means I can say balanced it is. K can be written as k plus 1 minus 1. Why I am writing? Because I need to show n is a k plus 1 minus 1 like. Only I got here k. Instead of k, can I write k plus, means what I am adding? Plus 1 minus 1. K is there as it is. What I am doing here? Plus 1 minus 1. Here 2 to the power k plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. Is it like a required form? It is like n minus 1 2 to the power n plus 1 plus 2. So better I can write, this can be written as k only plus 1 minus 1 2 to the power k plus 1 plus 1. I said it is like n. This is like n. This is like n. So plus 2. Is it same as given? Therefore I can say P of k plus 1 is also 2. When this is true, then I can say hence the given statement, hence P of n is true. P of n is true for all natural numbers, for all n belongs to capital N. Nothing. The third step is a main. Third step, when I am adding n is a k plus 1, 2 to the power n is a k plus 1 addition term. I decided to add both the side. I added here as well as I added in the case of RHS side. So I added here also 2 to the power k plus 1. That I can, this is the last case. And this you can take. After this I wrote here is equal to k minus 1, 2 to the power k plus 1 plus 2 is there. I added plus k plus 1, 2 to the power k plus 1. Then I wrote this as it is k minus 1 2 to the power k here. This I wrote second case, plus 2 I kept last. 2 to the power k plus 1 I took common, k minus 1, k plus 1 plus 2 left. And then I can say k minus 1, k plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, k plus k, 2k. So instead of writing this I wrote k first. Second 2 to the power k plus 1, then I wrote 2. Yes, then I wrote here 2. This you can say 2 plus 2. And k 2 to the power k, because bases are same powers, you can add k plus 1 plus 1. I added plus 2. Then k plus 1, only I have k. K can be written as plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Actually it is balanced. It is not necessary to write, but you have to express it is in the form of n is a k plus 1. So n is a k plus 1 minus 1 2 to the power k plus 1 plus 2. That only I expressed. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel, only k only you get. So that you can simplify in that form. Plus 2. That everything is okay. So then you can say this is a true for all what? Natural numbers. These are the 3 problems. Ninth one. Prove that 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube plus 1 plus n into 3 to the power n is equal to 2n minus 1 3 to the power n plus 1 plus 3 whole divided by 4. It is true for all natural numbers. Same again. I will say let P of n be the given statement. See there, let P of n be, this is also mathematical statement. Let P of n be the given statement. Listen here. Read on. Let P of n. What is the problem? This one. P of n be the given statement. This is what? P of n. Yes. Step 1. Step 1 is what? Put n is equal to 1. Step 1, put n is equal to 1 means P of n is a 1. This will become LHS is equal to, what is the LHS? First term, 1 into 3. 1 into 3 is what? 3. What is RHS? RHS is equal to 2n minus 1, 3 to the power n plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. What is n? N you are taking 1. 2 into 1 minus 1, 3 to the power 1 plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. Wherever n is there, you substitute 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 only. 3 to the power 3 square it is plus 3 divided by 4. Is it 1 into 3 square is 9 plus 3 divided by 4 means 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 divided by 4 will give a 3. 3 is a, what happened? LHS is also 3, RHS is also 3, LHS is equal to RHS. What happened? P of 1 is 2. P of 1 is 2. Yes, this is over for this. Second step. Step 2. Put n is equal to k. In the case of n is equal to k, I will say P of k. Write on 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube plus so on. What is the n? N is a k into 3 to the power k is equal to 2 into k minus 1, 3 to the power k plus 1 plus 3 whole divided by 4. Listen here. We call this equation 1. Now this is as it is like n. N is replaced by k. Every time I am saying n is replaced by k, everything is same. So I can say P of k is also true. Is also true. Then now, step 3. Step 3. I can say to prove P of k plus 1 is true. I will tell that you can say put n is equal to k plus 1. To prove P of k plus 1 is true, what we have to add? Addition is dependent upon this term, I said. What is this? Roughly I will take here. N into 3 to the power n. What we are taking n is n we are taking k plus 1. What remains? K plus 1, 3 to the power k plus 1. So this is the addition term. You can say this is the addition. N is replaced by k plus 1. N is replaced by k plus 1. What we have to add? We have to add what? N is what? K plus 1. 3 to the power k plus 1 on both the side of equation 1. So I will write here. To this, then I will use that space also. What is this? P of k plus 1. This one. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube plus so on. What we have already? K into 3 to the power k. What we are adding? You are adding k plus 1. 3 to the power k plus 1 on both the sides. This is I wrote LHS side. What is RHS side? I will write RHS side is here. What is RHS side? Already we have 2k minus 1, 3 to the power k plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. What we are adding? See there? Plus we are adding k plus 1, 3 to the power k plus 1. Listen here. This is the LCM what? 1. You can multiply across. This will be LCM 1 only. Can I simplify here? Yes. This I can 4 you multiply here, means 2k minus 1 3 to the power k plus 1 plus 3, 4 I can multiply here, 4 you can multiply, 4 into plus 4 into k plus 1 3 to the power k plus 1 whole divided by 4, isn't it? This third step is the main. 2k minus 1 3 to the power k plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. I added k plus 1 3 to the power k plus 1 is on both the side. I said k plus 1 3 to the power k plus 1, I added both the side. Instead of writing there RHS, I wrote here. This I kept and then I added. This I took LCM. This I multiplied 4 divided by nothing is there, means 1 will be there. So whole divided by 4. So that is LCM. Then I can say, can I take these two common in this case? 3 to the power k plus 1, 3 to the power k plus 1 is common. 3 to the power k plus 1 is common. Remains what? Here 2k minus 1, this here, plus this 4 into k. 4k plus 1 into 4 is a 4. Then plus 3 middle I will write last. Plus 3 whole divided by 4. Listen here. 3 to the power k plus 1. 3 to the power k plus 1. First term has 3 to the power k plus 1. Last term has 3 to the power k plus 1. 3 to the power k plus 1 I took common. This term is 2k minus 1 remains. And plus 3 keep the as it is, later I will write. This I took common, means 4 into k. 4k, 4 into 1, 4 plus 3 middle term I wrote last whole divided by 4. Because I can simplify easily. 3 to the power k plus 1. 2k minus 1 plus 4k and plus 4. What happened? 4k plus 2k. How many k? 6k. Yes. Minus 1 plus 4 is a plus 3, and plus 3 is this one. I kept as it is 4. What is common in these two? 3. 3 common means I can write 3 to the power k plus 1. 3 common remains what? 3 into 2k plus 3 goes 1 outside, plus 3 as it is whole divided by 4. Whole divided by 4. Is it now? See, actually I need n is what? 2 into k plus 1. 2 into k plus 1 minus 1. 3 to the power n is what? K plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. So I can write it is like this. I will write first 2k plus 1 first. Bases are same. 3 to the power k plus 1 means 3 to the power k plus 1, another 1 plus 1. Plus 3 divided by 4. Listen here. N is k plus 1. N is k plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3. Here also plus 3. Whole divided by 4. Only the thing is 2k plus 1. So 2k plus 1, if you want to express in that form, I will take one little bit adjustment. So after this, I will write here. I will write here. I think it is complete, no? First step we have to complete. I will express that. Actually, it is enough. N is a what? K plus 1. K plus 1 multiplying to 2k plus 2 minus 1 means 2k plus 1 only you will get. And 3 to the power k plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. This if you want to make exactly in this form, I will write one technique. Means using plus 2 and minus 1, I can write this as it is. So I will write. I think it is complete. I will express here. Yes. This one. This I am writing here is equal to what? 2k plus 1, no? 2k plus 1, 3 to the power k plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. Problem is what? 3. Here also 3. There 3 I got. 3 to the power n means n place I got here this k plus 1. N place k plus 1 I got plus 1 divided by 4. Only the thing is instead of 2n minus 1, this 2n minus 1 I had 2k plus 1. Means I need actually here what? Here I need 2 into n is what? N should be k plus 1. Means I need to get 2 into k plus 1 minus 1 whole divided by 4. So one little bit adjustment. Can I write this 2k k plus 1 can be written as, can I write 2k plus 1 can be written as 2 minus 1. Are you getting? See there, 1 can be written as 2k plus 1 can be written as 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is what? 1 only. Why I am writing? I need to express it is in that exactly form. How should we come to know? That is nothing. On the basis of this 2k plus 1 is there, I will take one little bit simplification that you can write. 2k, 1 can be written as 2 minus 1. This 3 to the power k plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. Can I say 2 common here? What remains? 2 common in this case. 2 common in these two. What remains? K plus 1 minus 1 over 3 to the power k plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 whole divided by 4. What happens? See, n. This is like n. 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1. 3 to the power n. 3 to the power n is like 3 to the power k plus 1. 3 to the power k plus 1. Plus 1. N plus 1 is what? N is a k plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. Then you can say P of k plus 1 is also true. Then last you can write hence the given statement. Hence given P of n is true for all natural numbers. Listen to me. After that I am writing 2k plus 1. Only the thing is 2k plus 1 can be written as 2k plus 1 can be written as 2 minus 1. Plus 1 can be written as 2 minus 1. 2 you can take common. Taking 2 common, 2 into k plus 1 minus 1 you will get 3 to the power k plus 1 this plus 3 divided by whole divided by 4. Nothing, it is very simple. Little bit adjustment that I have completed, that is enough, but you have to express it is in the form of required n place. You can show it is 2 into n is k plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 3 to the power n is what? K plus 1 there again plus 1 plus 3 whole divided by. This is as usual. This is about fourth problem. So once you practice 1 or 2 times, you have to practice. After completing this, you will come to know. After writing this, after copying this problem, once you have to write in the notebook yourself, you will come to know exactly what I am doing. Okay, I will continue in the next class.